I'm a bit rusty. Let's see if I can do this.
Okay, when you get to the top, the main thing is just you don't let go of the tee.
Yeah.
So let's go back down the hill.
Thank you. It's been about 5 years since I've done a T-bar with one person. It's easier with two, I think. Balances you out. Okay, this is part of the Whistler Blackcomb, Whistler Blackcomb full guide. I've been skiing here luckily for 40 years. When it was just Creekside, used to come up when I was a wee one with the parents. How Whistler Blackcomb has evolved. Anyways, I don't live in Whistler, so I'm not an expert to the degree that I ski 100 times a day, but like I said, I've been coming here 40 years. I've done every run on the two mountains. I've done every chair. So I'm just sharing my experience here because the mountains are just so big, you can't possibly ski them in a day. You probably can't ski it in 3 days, Whistler. Every single nook and cranny, including the forest and the glades. So this guide is just showcasing some of the key points, especially if maybe you come from out of town and you've invested a lot on a big vacation and you have kids, you're older, you're younger, you want to know where to go. This is the first day of spring. Later today it's spring, so the condition is usually much better from a snow perspective. 2024, we've had a tough season throughout British Columbia with our ski resorts. You know, not as much precip as we'd want. But as you can see, there's lots of snow. It's just a bit icy. It's probably 10ish, 30 in the morning. So the mornings can be a bit icy spring skiing, and then they soften up throughout the day. A local that lives here gave me a good tip. He said spring skiing, go to Whistler in the morning, Blackcomb in the afternoon, because Blackcomb, as you saw from the video yesterday, was very, very icy in the morning. We were there at 8:30 in the morning, very, very icy spring skiing, which icy conditions make it 1000% more difficult and potentially more dangerous. Harder to stop, harder to control, and if you wipe out, it's nasty, it hurts, it's like concrete. I've even got road rash from snow before because it's groomed and hard packed. Anyways, back to showing you some of the skiing amazement here on Whistler.